In today's video, I want to show you this method that can earn you $100 to $200 per day just by using Google Maps. You will want to make sure that you watch this entire video all the way through because I'll be showing you step by step exactly how you can do this, and you'll want to make sure you don't miss any of this process. I'll also show you how you can have other people do this service for you so you won't have to do any of it yourself and just sit back and watch the money roll in. So let's get started. So for step 1, you will want to download Google Chrome if you don't already have it and use it. So just head over to Google and search download Google Chrome and just download it. Now once you've downloaded and opened it, I want you to search Google My Business, then click on this link right here that says Google Business Profile. After that, just sign in. After you've signed into your Google Business Profile, then I want to show you basically a two-part strategy here. And I like to begin by using Google Maps first to make things easier. So what we want to do here is look up service-based businesses like plumbers, chiropractors, accountants, lawyers, stuff like that. And you can choose from any of these. So as an example, I'll just start with plumbers, then choose a random city. So I'll do plumbers near Gary, Indiana. Then you want to click on maps. So all of these red icons here on this map are all plumbing businesses. So the reason I really like to start within Google Maps is because you can click on it and it will just provide you with all of the relevant information right here. So if you're unaware of how Google Maps and Google My Business works, they'll get ranked based on a few different things. I'll explain more about how this works later, but what we want to look for specifically are businesses that have this option here that says Claim My Business. This essentially means that their business has not been claimed on Google My Business. The other thing you want to look for are businesses that either have very few reviews, poor reviews, or ideally both. It's also beneficial to find businesses that don't have many photos. So if we click on a business that has many reviews, we can see here that they have plenty of photos, tons of reviews, they don't have a Claim My Business option, they have their phone number, their hours, everything. So what we want to do is look for a business that doesn't have a whole lot of information. So I'll just select this business as an example. But like I said earlier, you can use any city, any business, and you can do this entire process virtually. That means you won't have to physically go into their business. So you can review all of the info on here that they don't have, which means there are several things here that we can improve. So now for the second part of this strategy, because like I mentioned earlier, there are two parts to this strategy. So what I want to do is open another tab and search plumbers Gary, Indiana. So as a business owner, the highest traffic you can get are the top 3 businesses here on Google Maps. The vast majority of people will often just go for one of the top 3 businesses here. So what we will do is click on more businesses right here, then look for the name of the business we found on Google Maps from the first part. And we want to see where they are in this listing. So we can see that they are actually not super far away from the top 3 businesses here. What we can do here is a few key things to get them higher up on this listing. So the first thing we will need to do though is reach out to them and try and essentially sell to them. So the first approach I suggest, and would personally take if I were you, is to just call them up using the phone number they have listed. But if that's something you're not comfortable with, that's totally fine, because if they just have an email, that will be perfect. If they just have a contact us form, that's not as good because we want to be able to get their attention. And a great way to get their attention is to snapshot a picture by screenshotting an image with their business name in it. When you do this, you will definitely get their attention. So I'll just take a screenshot right now, and since I'm on a Mac, I'll just click Command-Shift-4. Then I like to head over to this free website called canva.com to edit the screenshot a bit. So I'll just drag my screenshot here, then add a circle here over their business name, then maybe add an arrow pointing towards it. Then I would add some text saying something like, "We can fix this." Something super simple and easy like this to get their attention. Then I'll just click share, then click download right here to download it to my device. And then when you email them, you can add this photo in the email and write something in the body like, "Hey, my name is blank. I optimize Google My Business profiles to help businesses rank higher on Google Maps listings. I noticed that your business isn't claimed, which has a significant impact on your rankings and potential leads. I could start by simply helping you and doing that for free." And you can edit this however you'd like. So you could charge them $100 to $200 to claim their Google My Business. But when you offer to do something for free to a business, you can get them as a monthly client by doing a couple of things, which I'll present to you shortly. But when you do something for free, you establish reciprocity, where when you express or deliver a positive action, the other party is likely to respond with another positive action. When you do this free thing for this business, they feel inclined to do something in return for you. But this is totally up to how you would like to approach this. That's really just a quick tip I want to share with you and what I personally recommend. Because after you establish a relationship with them and build trust, on the back end you could also provide other services like updating their website, which is like $2,000 to $3,000 job. You could run their ads, which could be $1,000, $2,000 every single month. These are just a couple of examples of ways you could earn money on the back end, as well as recurring commissions or payments you could receive as opposed to just getting $100 to $200 once, but totally up to you. So now the way in which you could actually optimize their Google My Business listing is very simple. The main way would be to simply add their information that they have not included. It would be things like claiming their business, adding the hours, getting them more reviews, but the best way to optimize this and get their business to rank higher is through citations. This is essentially just a listing. These are things like Yelp, MapQuest, Facebook, etc. There are tons of them. If you don't know how to do this, you can go to YouTube and just do some research and figure it out. It's super simple. But if you actually want to provide a service and not actually do the work, Fiverr might be the best way to do this. All you need to do is go to fiverr.com, which is a freelance website, and search claim Google My Business, then click search. You will then see all these people you can hire to do this for any business you contact. You can just look at their reviews here to see if they're good, and you can click right here to see what they offer. So just do a little digging here and try to find the best person on Fiverr that will do this for you and pay them after you've sold the client to do their Google My Business listing or claiming their business. So I hoped you learned a lot from this and got a lot of value from this. You can do this with literally so many businesses in so many industries. It's a super powerful strategy and it's not really that talked about online. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, click on this video right here.